Good evening. This is the Big Toe, second in command, the Jibfoot of CSX, and I'm in Glendale on Saturday night about 8 o'clock. I am very underwhelmed by the performance of CSX up to this point. There's more activity over there with those yappy things than there is on the railroad. Shut the hell up! Anywho, I want to see multiple trains up here. I'm tired of looking at red northbound signals, and I'm tired of looking at NS trains that go north. No CSX trains. Jacksonville, what the hell are you doing? Get out from under the desk and get these trains up here in multiple numbers. If not, I'll come down there and I'll tear that place apart!